Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating your Dell service tag and confirming the exact model so you download the right drivers. This prevents wrong installs. Once done, make a Windows restore point and back up critical files because driver updates can alter system behavior. Make sure the laptop is plugged into AC power and on a stable network. Using Ethernet reduces interruptions. Then open Device Manager and Dell Support Assist or the Dell website so you can compare current drivers to available updates and start the install sequence. Now you download drivers in a deliberate order. Chipset first, then graphics, networking, and peripherals. This ensures core communication layers update before dependent components. Use Support Assist for automated detection or manually enter the service tag on Dell's Drivers and Downloads page to pick correct packages. Once a package downloads, run installers as administrator and follow prompts. Cancel only if a mismatch appears. Make sure to reboot after each major group, so Windows fully registers new drivers and avoids conflicts during subsequent installs. Finally, confirm successful updates by checking Device Manager and running Support Assist to validate driver versions. This proves everything installed correctly. If you encounter instability, roll back the offending driver from Device Manager or use a restore point. If rollback fails, boot into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers safely. Only update BIOS when necessary and follow Dell's exact steps. Incorrect BIOS flashes can brick the laptop. One key tip: keep a bootable recovery USB handy so you can restore the system if an update prevents normal startup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.